Hello guys, I will be showing you how to bring back the old Windows 10 right-click. First copy the command in the description. Then run the command prompt as administrator. Paste the command and restart your computer. As you can see, the old right-click menu is back. If you want to remove the old right-click menu and go back to the Windows 11 version, just repeat the steps with the second command. You will not have to restart your computer this time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, heap